There are some people who want to make money in real estate, but they don't want to buy land. Yes, they don't want to buy land, but they want to make money in real estate. Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Rukayat Yusuf, your Nigerian trusted realtor. Today we shall be talking about how you can make money in real estate without buying a property. Yes. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button. So the first way you can make money in real estate without directly buying a property is by investing in real estate cashback. Has been in existence for the past 5 years and is a kind of cooperative society where you invest in a company called Ceylon's Home and Property. So when you invest, it's like buying a certain percentage, it's like investing in a unit of land for a period of 12 months. And then after 12 months, you earn your return on investment. So the minimum amount you can use to invest in real estate cashback is 500,000 naira. Yes, that is the minimum amount you can invest in real estate cashback. You doesn't need to buy a land property directly, but is like investing in property. We deal in tangible assets, and we have a physical office. Nothing like scam or due to the high rate of scam in Nigeria. It's normal to have a second guess or third guess, but this is a genuine investment. When you invest in it, you'll be given post-dated check, investment certificates, and deed of agreements. All these things will be sent to your email. No need of coming down to Lagos if you don't base in Lagos. Location is not a barrier. So when your investment mature, you easily get your money, your return, your capital and return on investment immediately. Within the period of 48 hours, you receive your alerts. So investing in real estate cashback is one of the ways you can make money in real estate without directly buying a property. Is what most people do. You can invest 500,000, 1 million naira, 2 million naira, any amount you are capable of investing. And also the return of on the investment is 37%. Don't forget, we invest in tangible assets. And the companies has several properties across Nigeria. So another way you can invest in real estate is by becoming a realtor. Yes, when you become a realtor, you undergo some trainings and you'll be able to connect buyers with seller. The when you help people to acquire genuine properties, when you help them to make inspection, when you help them to, when you do follow up, when you do the work of a realtor, you will have, nothing is free in Fruitan. You will get your percentage. Being a realtor, there are some advantages to it. Apart from the fact that you earn money while connecting buyers to seller, the seller too, if they see the hard work that you've done, they do compensate. I've received that a lot when I help people to acquire a property. Apart from the percentage that I do collect, I've seen series of buyers when they are satisfied with my service, they do, they do compensate me for being truthful to them. So another one is referring. You don't have time being a realtor. You don't really have money to invest in real estate cashback. So the next thing you can do is by referring people to realtors or to companies. No, it's better to work with a realtor than working with a company. If you want to work with a company, you should be able to become a realtor. But if you don't really have time being a tutu realtor, you can easily be a referring you can be referring people to realtors. So when you refer people, you are going to have agreement with the realtor. Anytime I refer people, this is the kind of percentage that is on the property, this is the kind of percentage that will be given. So these are the three ways you can earn money, you can make money from real estate. Don't forget, the first one is through real estate cashback. When you invest a minimum of 500,000 naira and you earn return on investment after 12 months. Another one is by becoming a realtor. When you are a realtor, you'll be able to connect buyers with seller. You help a genuine and a standard real estate company in order to avoid problem. You help a genuine and a standard company to sell. If you want to become a realtor, you can call me on the number that is displayed on the screen. Or if you want to invest in real estate cashback, or you want to refer people to buy property and earn some percentage, you can also call me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button, like this video. Till I see you next time. Bye, Kasia.